if someone says that Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab isn't a scholar of the 𝗵𝗵𝗀 madhab, nor a reference point, nor a person to take creed from, is this a sign of disrespect for the Shaykh? لا شك ولا ريب. لا شك ولا ريب. The Shaykh is an Imam, a great scholar. Great scholars have referred to him as a great scholar. So we don't care about someone who comes after and throws their 2 cents into the discussion. The ones that we take into consideration is what the ulama have said, the scholars. And Shaykh al-Islam Muhammad Abdul Wahhab min 𝗍𝗂𝗵𝗺𝗀, he's from the senior scholars of Islam. Rahimahullah 𝗪𝗺. The poet, he said, أتهجوه ولست له بكفء فشركما لخيركما الفداء. And you speak ill of a scholar, these are his works, these are what he's produced, these are his students, these are the people who graduated from his madrasa, his school. Show us what you've produced. What have you produced and what have you brought to the table? So that's important to take into consideration, number one. Number two, Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab is an Imam, يصيب ويخطئ. He gets it right and he gets it wrong. He's not infallible, just like any other person isn't. The only one who's free from errors and mistakes is our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whatever he says is haqq and is the truth. Anyone other than the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, if he's right, it's taken. If it's wrong, it's rejected. So Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab, he's not above, rahimahullah, scrutiny, whatever he said and whatever he did. If he got it right, we will take it from him. If he got it wrong now, we will correct it. Lakin there's no reason to disrespect the Imam. He's an Imam min a'immat ahli sunnah, rahimahullah. And no one claims he's ma'soom, no one claims he's infallible. Lakin wallahi, he's a safe musallat. He is a thorn in the necks of the innovators and people of deviation. He's a thorn in their neck. He's someone, it's hard for them to digest and take in. And the reason for it is, even if it's sugar-coated, the reason for it is because of the tawheed he called to. The tawheed in which he called to and he fought for. Someone who is really dim-witted would only say that Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab is different from Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah. Wallahi kalla, thumma kalla. They're the same. The only difference is Shaykh al-Islam Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab, he had the ability to implement the ahkam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the earth. Whereas Shaykh al-Islam Ibn Taymiyyah was imprisoned, he didn't have strength, he didn't have the ability to execute the rulings of Allah on the earth. Ibn Taymiyyah didn't have that, whereas Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab did. And so that's why Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab brought people to justice, rahimahullah rahmatan wasi'ah.